Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and welcome to my channel, The Holiday Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these disco ball picks. You can use them in your tree, in wreaths, in centerpieces, whatever you like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give my video a thumbs up if you like it, because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to know how I made these picks, then just keep on watching. The first thing I did was to add styrofoam balls to these metal sticks. This is to make it easier to paint the balls. I used one 3 cm, one 2 cm and 3 1 cm styrofoam balls for each pick. I painted the largest styrofoam balls with silver acrylic paint, and while the paint was still wet I sprinkled silver glitter on top of it. For the other styrofoam balls I used a mixture of Mod Podge and glitter. This is to make a thicker coat to hold more glitter, and then I sprinkled them with silver glitter. To seal in the glitter on the bigger balls, I added a coat of glossy Mod Podge. And to seal in the glitter on the rest of the balls, I used a mixture of glossy Mod Podge and glitter to make them extra sparkly. Then I added mirror mosaic to the largest balls. The ones that I am using is self-adhesive, but it didn't stick very well to the glitter surface, so I used glue. First I tried out super glue, but I realized that I hate super glue, so I decided to use hot glue instead. I added long strips of mosaic pieces around the middle of the ball, then I added the pieces one by one for the rest of it. I left an empty space at the bottom of each ball. To assemble the pics, I reused the sticks I used when painting and added glitter to the balls. I added a disco ball at the top of the stick. Then I added a 1 cm ball below it, then a 2 cm ball, and then 2 1 cm balls. I also used hot glue to secure them. Lastly, I added a glitter and Mod Podge mixture to the stick and also sprinkled some extra glitter on top of it. Let it dry and you're done. I also sprayed it with a couple of coats of hairspray to hold the glitter in place. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give my video a thumbs up and comment if you liked it, because it really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.